In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply discounts in SimplePractice. If you offer sliding scale rates, promotional reductions, or occasional courtesy adjustments, setting up a proper discount item keeps your records clean and makes invoices straightforward for you and your clients. Here's the idea. We'll create a dedicated discount entry that behaves just like any other service or product in your account, except it uses a negative amount. That way, when you add it to an invoice, it subtracts from the total rather than adds to it. You'll choose whether to make it a service or a product based on how you plan to use it. If you want the discount to be tied directly to appointments, set it up under Services. If you want to apply a discount that isn't linked to a session, say a one-off fee adjustment, set it up under Products. Start by navigating to Settings, then open Services and Products. From here, pick Services if your discount will be used on appointment invoices, or select Products if you'll use it outside of appointments. Next, click the button to add a new item. Add Service if you're in Services, or add Product if you're in Products. This creates the entry you'll use whenever you need to reduce a balance. Give your discount a clear, recognizable name. Discount Works, and Sliding Scale Discount is even more descriptive. You can also include a brief description if you want to clarify how or when you use it. Consistent naming helps you and any teammates select the right discount quickly. Now set the rate or price to a negative number. This is the key. For example, entering -25 will subtract $25 from the invoice total. If you're ever unsure, remember that discounts must be negative to reduce what the client owes. Double-check the minus sign before saving so the invoice calculation works as expected. Once you save, your discount shows up alongside your other services or products. When you're building an invoice, you can add this discount item just like any other line. You'll see the total adjust immediately, which makes it easy to confirm that the client's balance reflects the reduction you intend. This approach preserves the original service details while transparently showing the discount as its own line, which is helpful for client communication and your records. That's all it takes. By creating a dedicated discount item and using a negative rate, you keep your invoicing accurate, your reporting consistent, and your workflows simple every time you need to apply a reduction.